We are in our Piano Adventures Level 1 lesson book, and we are on page 26, and we're playing naming intervals. Now we're going to be looking at the interval of a second. The distance between two notes on the keyboard or a staff is an interval. You've already learned the intervals of a step and a skip, and now we're going to start giving them names. So we have a step, and our interval here with C and D is a second. The seconds move to the next letter of the alphabet. So C, D, D, E, E, F, F, G, and so forth. So we're going to play traffic jam seconds, and we are going to be in a little different position here. We're going to be using our new notes G and F, and our fifth finger is here on G, and our fifth finger in the left hand is on C. And we have a repeat here at the end of the first line of music. We're going to go back to the beginning and then play all the way through. At measure 5, 6, and 7, those are our intervals. And so we have our intervals of 1 and 2 in the right hand, and 1 and 2 in the left hand. Okay, so this is how this piece sounds. 1, 2, 3, 4.